For a particular engineering project, like a harbor project, the environmental components involved in the project may include shoreline, geography, air, seawater, climate, beach, sediments, fauna, flora, and socio-economic environment. Earlier, ecosystem was described as consisting of living components, non-living components, and the interrelationships between the living components and the non-living components. Rocky shores are ecosystems. Many animals and plants live in rocky shores in the area between high and low tide. They are pounded by waves, exposed to extreme temperature and salinity, and flooded by seawater while exposed to drying air. Several distinct microhabitats exist within rocky shore habitat, each with its own survival challenges for plants and animals living there. There may be flat rock platforms, rock pools, or depressions in the rock, pebbles, cobbles, and boulders in the rocky shores. Rocky shore dwellers include seaweeds, algae and fungi, grazing snails, and mollusks. Consider the components of the rocky shore ecosystem as a set. Name the set A. Set A then is a set of elements which include living components, non-living components, and interrelationships between the living and the non-living components. Consider set D as a set having elements seagrass, coral, and seaweed. If seagrass, coral, and seaweed are elements found in the elements of set A, then set D and set A are related in such a way that D is a subset of A. That relationship is shown using Euler diagram. The diagram shows D is proper subset of A. Consider project set 2. Number 1, given is a fish pond in the front yard of a home. The fish pond is to be totally demolished to give way for the construction of an open garage. Letter A, make a conceptual model of the pond as an ecosystem. Letter B, if the elements consisting the pond ecosystem is a set named set A, and the elements of the environmental concerns of the open garage construction is a set named set B, then justify why set A can be a subset of set B. Letter C, make a Venn diagram for set A and set B. Provide a title for the Venn diagram using the title Conceptual Model of Interaction of Water Ecosystem and Engineering Project. Letter D, Make a conceptual model of the interaction of the water ecosystem and water resource engineering using plain geometric figure including lines and arrows when necessary. Number 2 item of the project set 2. Write a mathematical model of open water system balance with no accumulation and no generation, as well as consumption.